Doon sa, nagkaroon yata kayong Storycon po ba yung nangyari? Doon sa magiging part kayo ng MMFF
Yes. Okay.
Mano po 7?
Mano po 7, yes.
Nasabi na po ba sa inyo what will be yung tatakbuhin? Kasi maraming Mano po, tunay na Mano po yung nangyari.
Yes, itong Mano po, kasi usually yung past Mano po, ano siya, it is centered on the character of the female. Ngayon, centered on the male character naman. Yung struggles niya in life, struggles niya with his marriage, with his family, yun ang magiging takbo ng kwento.
So kayo talaga yung magiging bida doon sa story?
I think so, yeah. Parang yung central to the character.
Sinabi na po ba yung mga makakasama nyo?
Hindi pa, but I know that si Janela daw ang magiging kasama ko doon as one of my kids.
So kung mag-comeback, ano nyo po yun?
Yeah, so anak ko ulit si Janela doon.
Okay. Natuwa po ba kayo doon na kumbaga kasi siyempre mga Chinese, yung mga ipinapalabas doon sa Mano po?
Yes.
Tapos you're part of this movie.
Yes, of course, I'm very proud and honored to be part of Mano po kasi it has been a very successful franchise. So I'm hoping that maipalabas namin yung mga struggles din as a Chinoy in the Philippines. We're just the same. Kahit na Filipino or Chinese, we have the same heartaches, we have the same problems. To show the people what it's like also.
Sinabi na po ba kailan mag-start yung filming?
We start ngayong July na eh. We will shoot a few scenes before starting this July.
Are you excited to do that movie na?
Yes, of course. Kasi medyo kinakabahan din. Kasi yun na kasi it centers on the male character. So wish me luck.